Saved reports include our default reports or any saved reports that you created yourself. Our sales and average ticket sale report will allow you to save the filters that you use frequently for a fast and easy access to a specific report without having to input all the same filters each time. With the Save function, you can access all the reports that you run frequently from one place. For example, if you want to monitor closely a specific category of products, you can save a report that will show you sales for this category, broken down hourly, always showing you results from the last 7 days like in this report. Our default reports include the sales pie chart for today that will show you your sales for today broken down by categories in the pie chart. The sales line chart for the last 30 days will show you your overall sale amount for each day for the last 30 days. The comparative table will show you your sales by categories this month compared to the last month to date and the previous year amount to date. The product table for today will show you sales of each of your products for the current day. The category bar chart for today will show you your sales by category for today in a bar chart, and the average ticket sale for the last 30 days will show you your average ticket size for the last 30 days broken down by each day in a line chart. If you have any questions about the saved reports, please contact us by phone, chat, or email 24/7. We'll be happy to help you.